How much do we truly know about our planet? As humans, we've made incredible strides in understanding the world around us. We've climbed mountains, descended to the ocean floor, and wandered through dense forests, uncovering secrets that were once unimaginable. Yet even in this modern era, there are still enigmatic places that remain untouched by our exploration. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey into the heart of one of the Earth's most mysterious locations, the Bay of Bengal, where an island stands secluded and veiled in secrecy. Welcome to a tale of mystery, danger, and the most unusual people on Earth. Our destination, North Sentinel Island. North Sentinel Island, a tiny jewel amidst the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, covers a mere 60 square kilometers, 23 square miles. At first glance, it might seem like any other island, but this place is unique. It remains a forbidden territory, off-limits to the public, tourists and scientists alike. The island is veiled in a dense forest that guards its enigmatic secrets from prying eyes. At the heart of this enigma lies a fascinating tribe known as the Sentinelese. For over 60,000 years, they have inhabited the Andaman Islands, living in almost complete self-isolation. They remain untouched by the advances of the modern world, a world of Bitcoin, global warming, and Netflix. They are a living testament to an ancient time. The Sentinelese are hunter-gatherers relying on bows, arrows, and spears for their livelihood. They collect seafood by hand, feasting on crabs and shellfish in abundance. Their settlements are scattered with empty shells, remnants of a lifestyle that has endured for millennia. But beyond the physical attributes and lifestyle, the Sentinelese harbor a deep mystery, their language unknown and unspoken to the outside world. As we delve deeper into the story of North Sentinel Island, we begin to understand the reasons behind its impenetrable curtain of secrecy. The Indian authorities, the de facto custodians of the island, have enacted strict measures to protect the Sentinelese from outside contact. This isolation stems from the tribe's vulnerability to common diseases, a vulnerability that has evolved over thousands of years of living in isolation. In the 19th century, a British officer named Maurice Vidal Portman conducted controversial studies attempting to interact with the Sentinelese. However, his actions proved disastrous, leading to illness and death among the tribe members. Since then, the world has been cautious about any intrusive attempts to contact them. Throughout history, there have been occasional attempts to peacefully reach out to the Sentinelese, but most have ended in hostility. In 1991, a brief contact was established, but the Sentinelese made their intentions clear. They preferred solitude and distance from the outside world. In 2004, an Indian Coast Guard helicopter sent to check on the Sentinelese after a devastating earthquake was met with a volley of arrows and spears. This act of defiance was the tribe's way of expressing their rejection of any interference in their lives. Despite all the warnings, some individuals were still drawn to explore the mysteries of North Sentinel Island. Tragically, their encounters proved fatal. Indian fishermen, illegally fishing for crabs near the island, fell victim to the wrath of the Sentinelese. The Coast Guard's attempt to retrieve their bodies was met with strong resistance, leaving the unfortunate fishermen's remains unrecovered. In 2018, an American missionary, John Allen Kao, attempted to make contact with the Sentinelese but was met with a similar fate. His journey ended in tragedy, and the tribe continued to fiercely defend their isolation. As we reflect on this extraordinary journey, North Sentinel Island remains a realm of mystery, untouched by the outside world. The Sentinelese stand as guardians of a bygone era, preserving their ancient ways in the face of an ever-changing world. The island serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between untouched civilizations and the impact of outsiders' curiosity. Our fascination with the unknown must always be tempered with respect for the sanctity of uncharted territory. As we conclude this captivating journey, we are left with more questions than answers. North Sentinel Island stands as a testament to the resilience of humanity's ancient past and a beacon of the unexplored. It is a place where curiosity and danger entwine, reminding us of the importance of preserving the world's untouched realms. With that said, Thanks for joining us on this mesmerizing expedition to North Sentinel Island. Until next time,